So before we start the video, I actually wanna like settle some things. The level's not mine. Never was mine. Luster gave me a copy. I wasn't supposed like to bid it and stuff like that. But man, I just know Luster so bad. He won't even like finish the level. He told me he was going to decorate it. Man, that's lies. That's full lies. So what I decided is to, after some controversy that happened, which I'll make a video about, like, I don't know, tomorrow I will try to record it. So, yeah, controversy happened. So I decided to upload the level, as I'm sure he wouldn't, like, try to even upload it, or even make progress. I don't know if I'll decorate it or something, probably not. Also working on a project that Luster let die. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. Don't get mad at me for doing the level. I mean, yeah, I'm doing it, but yeah, like noble thing. I won't let like these projects die, cause I feel like they're cool or something like that. And with the other project I was talking about, yeah. Like this level feels like not original at all. Like I feel like there's something stolen from this level.
Share screen.
Wait, I'm not screen sharing. Like, let me like
Yeah, are
screen
you like
share.
stupid? Stupid poo poo.
I'm passing they're gonna be shooting, you know? My balls. I'm screen sharing already. I don't know, I'm not screen sharing.
You're not screen
Wait, did I verify it? Yo, I beat it! Like, out of nowhere, I beat it. Wait, let's wait for like... Yo. The yay sound effect. Yay. How many attempts? 17 attempts. Yeah, I just wanna leave like here.
Hey,